Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is January the 18th and I'm using my Easy Scalper trading system. This system has two excellent scalping indicators. The first one is the Easy Scalper, that's this moving average, changes colors. And the other one is the arrows here. They're called the Super Signal Indicator. You'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see right here. It'll suggest whether you should be looking at certain instruments and whether you should be buying and or selling. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer catching the continuation of the London session, that's this blue box, going into the New York session, that is this blue box, looking at all the different instruments, and of course looking at my daily trade plan. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time and it can change from blue to red quite easily if the market starts to reverse. So after I take a look at the charts, have to analyze the charts, take a look at the daily trade plan, and when things start to line up, I'll put a white arrow in suggesting either up or down, depending if I want to buy or sell. If you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are struggling. If you have any questions or if you want to buy the daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Remember, there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You'll need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And don't forget, you'll need some kind of a daily trade plan. You must think like you are learning to become a doctor lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. When you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you have only a 5% chance of succeeding. Now, after you buy from me, I will tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, let's take a look at these trades I've taken. First one I did was the Euro Yen. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Arrows from the super signal, scalper, everything top and bottom said or suggested it's going to go down. So let's see where I got in. Let's run a check on that. So when I took the trade at this cursor, everything looked great, top and bottom. Took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out here just being happy, locking in about 16 pips, and those pips paid out $107. Moving along to the next trade. Let's see, Euro Aussie, here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Okay, there's the arrow. Super signal, daily trade plan, scalper, everything perfect as you can clearly see. Now the market's very random and I knew that it could go back up and do a cycle, but that didn't bother me. So I took the trade here. Exercise some patience is very important, as everything was telling me it's going to give me some pips. And that's exactly what I got. Looks like on this trade I got 19 pips. And that paid out $124. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Now the S&P 500 pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 5. Calculator says it should be approximately 57 ticks, so let's drag and drop this up. Wanted to be selling it. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Now on this particular trade, it was, I traded like I teach in the videos called How to Trade Pullbacks. That's exactly what it did. And when everything lined up, looking pretty good for going down or shorting. So I took the trade at that cursor, and what did I say, around 57. Sometimes it's hard to get it right on, but let's try one more time. Well, that's as close as I'm going to get. It's 57.4, but let's just go with the 57 ticks, and that paid out $287. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Swiss. Wanted to be buying it. Everything looking great for going up. Easy decision to make. Everything looking great, top and bottom. Just waited for the pullback, and then movement started to go. Actually, here and on this blue candle. Took the trade at that cursor, and I closed it out here, right around the ADR actually. That's locking in 26 pips, and that ended up paying out $299. Okay, moving on to the Russell. Now in this Russell, it pays $10 for each tick, so easy to see. For the money, it should be 90. That's 90 ticks, so let's drag and drop this up. Wanted to be selling it, again doing the pullback. Followed the rules within the training videos on how to trade pullbacks. When I took the trade, actually starting right around here, everything's starting to look good. I knew it was going to give a push down. Could have easily hooked around right here and kept going up, or here, or sometimes it'll just keep going down. So let's see now. I got in at this cursor, and what did I say? It should be about 90. There it is right there, 90 ticks, and that paid out $900. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Took the money, divided by 20, and the calculator says should be approximately 70 ticks. So everything, when I pulled the trigger, was absolutely perfect. I knew it was going to go up, but it's just a waiting game. Went a little bit sideways and finally gave a bit of a push up. And so, finally when I closed out the trade, what did I say, 70. There it is right there, 70 ticks, and that paid out $1,394. So if your system's not producing great results, well, I recommend you get your hands on Easy Scalper, and of course don't forget about the daily trade plan. So let's take a total here, and I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks. So I added up all the pips and ticks. Grand total came to 278, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,113. Have a couple extra minutes here, and I wanted to show you an interesting tool. It's a Fibonacci tool. You'll see the description. I described the Fib tool down in the description below this video. All you got to do is click on this tab right here. You just go from swing low to swing high. Then it does a pullback. There's your pullback right there. If it comes to 1, 2, or 3, or even 4, as a general rule, once it hooks around and starts to go up, it'll make it to target 2, 3, 4, 5. And today it almost hit number 6. And there's actually 10 targets. Took me quite some time to make this. It's 100 times better than the Fibonacci tool that the MT4 offers you, with different entry levels and up to 10 different target levels. The reason why Fibonacci works is that millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. And of course this does and will help you to get the timing a little bit better, especially if you're a fairly new trader. New traders are traders, let's say, within 2 years. And even if you've been trading longer than that and you never tried Fibonacci, well, this will also help your trading. So now if you have any questions, or if you want to buy anything at all, quite simple. All you got to do is look right below this video. There's a banner, the word more. You click on it, opens up another window with my contact information. You can pick up the phone and call me directly, or you can send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype because no matter where you live in the world, we can communicate live. If you want, I can do screen sharing and I can answer all of your questions. So I do believe that just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.